All right, today we are starting chapter 4, and it really ties in with chapter 3, and that we're still going to be talking about linear equations, y equals mx plus b. But now instead of graphing, we're going to be writing equations. And today is a nice smooth start where we're going to be writing equations in slope-intercept form. So as a reminder, remember, slope-intercept form was the y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. And we used that information to help us become excellent graphers. So if we want to write an equation in slope-intercept form, this is really easy. Here's our slope, here's our y-intercept. And we can just write y equals negative 3x minus 2, and we're done. We did a little bit of this in the last chapter. Now, if slope is 0, it might look like y equals 0x minus 2. But remember, we don't leave it looking like that. Our best answer would be y equals negative 2. And remember, that is that horizontal line where our slope is 0, and it's still a linear equation, but when slope is 0, it looks just like y equals a number. All right, so now we need to write an equation in slope-intercept form. We can see here is our, I'm going to change my color here. Here is the b, right? That's our b. But we need to find our slope. So we can use the picture here. We can say, okay, I'm going to go, wait a minute. Oh yeah, each one is 1. So we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to go up 6 over 1, 2, 3, 4. So my slope is 6 over 4, or 3 halves. So my equation will look like y equals 3 halves x minus 3. Here, my y-intercept is 2, so there's my b. Now here my slope is down 1, 2, 3, down 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4. So here my slope is negative 3/4. So my equation is going to be negative 3/4 x plus 2. So here, similarly, let's do the red line first. For both for both lines, that's our b. b equals negative 1. But now for my slope, I'm going to go up 2 over 1. So slope is 2, or 2 over 1. And so my equation is going to be y equals 2x minus 1. For my blue line, it looks like down 2 over 5. So b is still negative 1, but here my slope is negative 2 over 5. So my equation is going to be negative 2/5 x minus 1. So when we have the picture, it's nice because we can just draw and count and look. But finally, we're going to have to, oops, I'm just taking a peek where we're going here. We have a pair of points. Now notice this is the y-intercept. X is 0, so we do know that b is negative 1. But we have to figure out the slope. So let's figure out the slope. So negative 1, remember that's, put it up here. Oops, remember our slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Should have that memorized. So negative 1 minus 5 over 0 minus negative 3, negative 6 over 3, which is negative 2. So my equation is going to be negative 2x minus 1. Over here, there's my y-intercept. So b is negative 2, but my slope is going to be 10 minus negative 2 over 4 minus 0, or 12 over 4, or 3. So y equals 3x minus 2. Finally, just different form. Notice, this was our function notation. So this means the value of the function when x is 0, y is 10. So basically I have these two ordered pairs, 0, 10, when x is 6, y is 34. 6, 34. Those are my two ordered pairs. And this one is my y-intercept. So I know b is 10. Let's figure out our slope. 34 minus 10 over 6 minus 0, which is 24 over 6, or 4. So my equation's going to be y equals 4x plus 10. Here, same thing. When x is 0, y is 9. So 0, 9 is one ordered pair. When x is 8, y is 7. 8, 7. That is my y-intercept when x is 0, so my b is 9. Let's figure out our slope. 7 minus 9 over 8 minus 0. Negative 2 over 8, negative 1/4. So y equals negative 1/4 x plus 9. So today you will be given the y-intercept and you'll have to find the slope, whether it's from a graph or by calculating it. Tomorrow, just be ready, tomorrow we'll have to find the y-intercept, or in other words, we won't be given the y-intercept, just 2 points, so be ready for that.